As you both know, each party will have 15 minutes to present oral argument. The appellant will proceed first and may reserve up to 5 minutes for rebuttal. And if you wish to have any time reserved, if you'll let me know, I'll give you a signal when we get to that time. And we've read the briefs and we're ready to proceed.
May it please the court, counsel. My name is Laura McDowell. It is my privilege to represent the appellants, the consumers in this case. I'd like to reserve 5 minutes for my rebuttal. The trial court in this case did not have jurisdiction of the subject matter of the case. When that is the situation, where a trial court lacks jurisdiction, it has no authority to determine the case in any way. And that's a case from the 9th District. It's cited in our brief, our reply brief, Lance Langen, water jetting. The trial court, in essence, held that it had no jurisdiction, but then proceeded to rule. That ruling is a nullity, and the appellants respectfully request that the trial court's ruling be vacated and this case be dismissed. That's all the presentation I have. If any of you have questions, I'd be happy to entertain them. Thank you.
Thank you.
May it please the court, Mike Rudinger on behalf of the defendant appellee, Stubhub, Inc. And it's my pleasure to present what's probably going to be one of the shorter oral arguments you've ever experienced. We agree that the trial court did not have subject matter jurisdiction and that the appropriate remedy is to remand to the trial court to dismiss without prejudice under the Ohio rules. In this case, the court essentially did something very similar. It acknowledged the case was not properly before it because it did not qualify under the user agreement arbitration clause. And while we think that there is essentially relatively little distinction between the two remedies, we would agree. Remand and dismissal is appropriate. Thank you very much.
Okay, that was easy.
Have my brief.
Yes. You have rebuttal? Thank you.
The only, I think, difference that we have is that we believe the court's judgment should be vacated, not remanded, vacated, because the trial court acted without jurisdiction and the order is therefore a nullity and must be vacated. And that's what was done in all the cases that we cited in our reply brief. The court did vacate the underlying order. So that's all I have. Are there any questions?
Thank you. Very well. Thank you both for your presentations. Court will take it under advisement, and we will issue our ruling and send the ruling to both sides, and you can certainly check on the report website and the order. Have a great day. Thank you.